better forward walk turns for rumba and cha-cha in 3 easy to follow sections. Section number 1, upper body rotation. Let's take the forward step with our right foot. Turn our upper body to the left as far as you can. Do not break your shoulders, keep it leveled. And while I'm talking to you, of course I'm looking at you, but I want you to be sure that your focus are in the same direction where is your step. Try it again. Upper body rotation around your spine. And one more time. Upper body rotation, shoulders leveled. Section number 2. Engage your center by